irony.
One time,
Wow.
fire, and my papa was like, Kathy!
He still yells at her.
You burnt the tutu again. Your finger's gonna burn.
It's okay, I could do this.
Yeah. All right, you better do this quick.
All right,
right.
honey. This is it.
five.
This is it. This would be your last 12. No, you're gonna
Okay,
have one
any
next
day
time.
Next time you're a teenager.
Come on, the candle's melting.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michaela. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Oh.
Michaela,
skills.
I have the best picture of you.